Hello everyone, good afternoon. My name is Papiagis Firzatullah and my student number is 64250241 from class 6.4.1.01. In this project, I would like to explain about the question word. This topic is very important because we ask interrogative word every day to ask question and get information. Throughout this explanation, I hope you can understand the types, function, and example of interrogative word in English. An interrogative word is a word used in a sentence to ask question or raise a question, whether about an object, action, or situation. An interrogative word is used to obtain the answer to a question. The answer can be information, an explanation, or statement. When written, sentence containing an interrogative word, also known as interrogative sentence, end with a question mark. Next. The function of question word is to request information, clarification, or explanation about something such as an object, person, place, time, situation, or case. By using question word, someone can formulate a specific question to get the right answer. Next. The purpose of question word in English is to obtain specific information and initiate conversation. This question help the questioner obtain relevant answer about people, things, place, times, reason, or cause. Next. There are 7 types of question word, namely what, who, where, when, how many, why, and how. The following are the types and function of question word. The following is the explanation. Next. What? The question word what is used to ask about object, situation, and condition, and action. The answer to what can be an understanding, statement, or explanation of subject in question. Example, is he a Bina Sarana Informatika student? Next. Who. The question word who is asked to ask about a person or subject, actor. Therefore, the answer to the questions who is the person or subject actor being asked about. Example, who is on duty today? Where. The question word where are used to ask about the location of an event or a location you will either currently visiting, have the visited. The answer to is the location where the event occurred or a location. Example, where is your campus located? Next. When. The question word when is used to ask about the time and event concrete. Therefore, the answer to the question word when is the time the event occurred, which can be told how day, date, month, or year. Example, when are you leaving for the Bandung? Next, guys. How much? The question word how much is used to ask about the unit, quantity, or amount of something. The answer to how much is the unit, quantity, or amount of something. Example, how many chocolates do you have? Next. Why? The question word why is used to ask about the cause or reason for an event. Therefore, the answer to the question word why is the reason or reason for the event. Example, why weren't you at school yesterday? Next. How. The question word how is used to ask about the state or clarity of something, the method or the process of doing something. The answer to the question how is the state or clarity of the thing's method or process. Example, how are you feeling after leaving the hospital? Next. The correct placement of a question mark is at the end of an interrogative sentence to end a direct question, as this punctuation mark indicates that the sentence is asking direct question. For example, in the sentence, "Where are you leaving for school?" or "Did you do your homework yesterday?" Next. Characteristic 1. Always followed by a question mark at the end of the sentence. 2. Generally placed at the beginning of an interrogative sentence and less often followed or added with the suffix "ka", for example, whatever, who, where, and so on. Next. How to write. How to write question in example sentence. Interrogative sentence often begin with a question word or a helping verb. This is followed by the subject, then the main verb. For example, is the question, "What is your name?" What is the question word? Is the helping verb. Your is the subject, and name is the main verb. Next. The main use of question word is to ask question to get information or explanation about something, such as an object, person, time, place, method, or reason. Next. Questions are used to ask for information, requiring the other person to provide a clear answer in English. They are also known as open questions. In other words, you can answer a question in the way from with just yes or no. Next. Question marks are only used for two purposes. First, at the end of a sentence that contains a question. For example, when we want to know the answer from someone else. Second, it can also indicate a part of the sentence that is still uncertain, such as he was born in 2006. The point is, don't just put a question mark. Only use it when asking a question or when you are unsure about information. Next. Question words are used to ask for information, explanation, or detail about a person, object, time, place, quantity, reason, or method. Sentence that ask question words are called interrogative sentence and always end with a question mark. The purpose of using question word is to obtain more specific information. And in that conversation, there are 7 types of question word in English: what, who, where, when, how much, how many, why, and how. Each of which has a different function depending on the information sought. Overall, question words are very important in English because they help us form clear and polite questions that cannot be answered simply with yes or no. Thank you for attention, everyone. Good afternoon. Bye.